Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to install the template. Alright, so before going into it, I want to give you a disclaimer that I'm not giving you a holy grail. Okay, if you want a holy grail, there is no holy grail in this industry, and if you're still searching for it, I'll suggest you to stay away from trading, because the only holy grail in this industry is your trading plan, your risk management, your money management, or whatever you call it. Okay, if you don't have a solid trading plan, if you're not strict to your money management, then you will not run long in this business. Okay, so there is no holy grail, there is only holy grail, and that's your risk management or money management. Okay, so you must be strict to your trading plan. Make your trading plan that you have to achieve only 10% profit daily, no over trading. You have to use 3 to 5% of your balance on per trade. You have to make handful amount of trades, and you have to invest time for taking the best trade. I personally invest 3 to 5 hours of my day to go for only the best trades. Okay, so follow what I say, and if you follow what we say in this program, I guarantee you that you are going to make money. Okay, because I see most of people join Signals group. Okay, they don't follow, they don't give the time to the group, and basically overall they lose the money, and they don't have enough money to renew the subscription, so they leave the group. Okay, so basically what happened, overall they are still in loss. So the motive of launching this program for 3 months is I want to educate more people. Um, I want to make people profitable in trading. Okay, so we have this 3-month free program. I'll suggest you to practice on demo for the first month. Practice and practice more. Okay, so until you master it. From second month you can start earning. You can go to real account, and I guarantee you, if you're following all the steps what we say, until third month you will be master of this system. Okay, so once again I'll tell you, there is nothing holy grail in this industry. The only holy grail is your trading plan. Alright, so let's move on how to install this template on MT4 platform. So first you have to go to the link I have provided you in the Facebook group, the Helping Hand Bootcamp group. You have to visit this link. Okay, and after visiting the link, this page will come. You have to just click on get it, and you have to fill in all your details over here. And click on claim for free, and then you have to click on download. And okay, so the file will start to download. See here, just click on this folder, and you have to copy this file to your desktop. So I've already copied this on my desktop, and you have to extract this file, and after extracting this folder will come. Okay, you have to open this folder, and you can see there are 4 folders. In indicator folders you'll get all the exfo file. In library folders you'll get all the DLL file. In the template you'll get the template, and this videos and manual you'll get the all YouTube videos links, and installation guide PDF, and also the OSP manual PDF, and here is the password of the OSP manual. Alright, so now let's go to MT4. Open your MT4, right? On the right top you can see you have this file. Click on file, then click on open data folder. Okay, and after clicking open data folder, this window will pop up. You have to click on templates, and in this folder you have to copy the template. Go to template here, copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now go back. Now click on MQL4 and click on indicators. Now here you have to create a new folder, in this case, and rename it whatever you want. In this case I'm going to name it OSP HH, and open this folder. Open this folder and copy paste all the ex4 files, the indicator files in that folder. So I'll just copy this and paste it in this folder. Right, perfect. Now go back and click on libraries, and you have to paste here the DLL file provided in the folder. Click on libraries and copy this and paste it in the library folder. Alright, perfect. Now let me just close all these folders. Right, now you have to restart your MT4 platform. Just close it and restart it. Alright, now you have to open any of the chart you want. I'll switch to the M1 time frame, and to load the template you have to click on on the right of your mouse and go to templates and click on the OSP HHV2. Just click it and boom, you can see the template is loaded. Now to load the indicators you have to go to the navigator here, and you have to search for the folder you created. Here I have created the OSPHH folder. Right, now drag all the MA indicators. So I'll first drag the OSP MA1 and click on OK, and then I'll drag the OSP MA2 and then I'll click on OK, and same as to the OSP3, click on OK. Now here you have to note that while dragging the OSP cross indicator, you have to first allow its DLL imports and then click on OK. Now you have to wait until the templates load completely, until the indicator loads completely. It will take time to load because it's the size of the file is high, so it will take time to load. Don't touch your MT4 platform until the indicator is completely loaded. Okay, so your MT4 will not freeze. Just be patient and let the indicator be loaded. Okay, so I'll wait over here. Alright guys, now here you can see the template is completely loaded, and this is how you have to install the template, and this is how you have to load the indicators on the chart.